Police don recover stun gun from Pastor Paul Adefarasin. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Lagos State Police Command don recover a prohibited stun gun from Pastor Paul Adefarasin, founder of House on the Rock Church, after the viral video when he show am when he dey hold a gun-like object against another road user. Newspaper report say Pastor Adefarasin turn himself at the command headquarters for Ikeja on Tuesday, and police interrogators come interrogate am, and for there he come volunteer a cautionary statement. For a follow-up of his statement when they release late on Tuesday, the Lagos State Police Command come clarify say the item when they recover from Pastor Paul Adefarasin not be lethal weapon or a conventional firearm, but na a stun gun. Stun gun na anti-riot device when they classify as prohibited under Nigerian law. The statement come add say the pastor they don grant am bail since, while investigation into the matter will go continue. Pastor Paul, according to the police statement, when he turned himself for the police command on Tuesday over the viral video where they see him when he dey hold a gun-like object against another, the interrogator and he volunteer cautionary statement to the police investigators. Wetin we recover from am? The gun-like object when they see for the viral video not be lethal weapon or firearm, but a stun gun when they ban since na anti-riot equipment. The pastor they don give am bail, while investigation in the matter e continue. Na so the police statement come read. The controversy will come from the video clip when e show online and come go viral, when e show Pastor Paul Adefarasin when he dey hold wetin come look like firearm, while he dey confront one man when he dey video in car, and by extension he dey video am when police dey consider say the man na also road user. That video come quickly go viral because na one Lagos-based content creator when they know for showcasing luxury vehicles na do the video. Country people, e good as this statement now don dey come from the police. At least, like I talk for my earlier video on this subject, he say the police investigation e go close the matter as it is. That is to say, people go come know exactly wetin play out, and na wetin play out na police don dey talk now say no be lethal weapon, but na an object wey they classify as anti-riot tool, and they ban am from civilians to even use. The matters arising now go come be: one, if na wetin they ban, then why the pastor come get am? Why the pastor now come hold am for traffic? Because they ban am, he suppose not to hold such things. people go fit argue say na things like this na robbers dey use for road to threaten people. Some dey even dey use toy gun, and at the end of the day, if they catch them, na the same judgment when e go follow who use the real one na court dey give them. So e no too dey clear why a prominent clergyman go decide to get a prohibited item to take dey defend himself. According to some tori sources, e get bodyguards, that is police security men, allegedly. So if this na true, then why the stun gun? And secondly too, why the pastor not immediately report himself to the police as he don do now, to say, oh, see wetin happen, I hold stun gun. But the first of all, say he not point anything. He even escalate and go in church where he still talk, say he not point anything. Now he dey surrender wetin be stun gun to the police. How this thing now come cast am? Na person when he dey tell lies, e can't even make am difficult to believe say na stun gun e true true, because he don deny the story before, say he no owe anything, he no point anything. So he dey say this kind small lies, the devil dey use am take dey discredit people. So e get as e be. The whole story e no too dey clear, especially with the way this matter don dey turn out. And if na video, then just the video am, obviously e see say the person dey video before him drive reach there. So no be say the person just see am dey video am. If na prominent person, na oyibo talk say a goldfish no get hiding place. Why e no see am in that context? E come reach where the videographer dey, e come wind am, e come tell am wetin e tell am with the stun gun now, according to police, when he point at the person. E show say the pastor, e no go fit tolerate, people excesses, allegedly, from that storyline. So all these things and many more things, e leave a sour taste for people mouth. Well, wetin dey of significance now be say police don recover stun gun.